What's up, guys? Steve here from Car Breaking Now, and we are finally getting ready for this break tonight. This one actually makes it only 5 spots left in the break, so might have to do one more filler, unfortunately, but that's the way it's going. Good luck in this one. 4 spots up for grabs. Top 3 are going into the break. Let's check it out. We're live. Good luck. And here is your list. Here's your time, 9:47. Clay and the clay. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 says 9:47. 9:47. Last and final is going to do it. And we got Clay, Jared, and Nick all coming in with a spot. Clay taking home 2. Jared and Nick taking home 1. Here's your last and final timestamp for this one. And it's at 9:47. 9:47. So Clay spot 1 done it. Jared and Nick both taking home 1, guys. Congrats. We'll see you soon for the break. Best of luck.